Modern Beijing, China, a bustling metropolis and cultural hub. Imagine a city where ancient history meets modern advancement, where traditional culture harmoniously blends with cutting-edge innovation. That's Beijing for you. But have you ever wondered about the lesser-known aspects of this vibrant city? Today we're going beyond the usual tourist spots to reveal the hidden gems and surprising facts that make Beijing truly unique. Join us as we uncover the untold stories and lesser-known wonders of this captivating city. The Great Wall of China, an iconic wonder of the world, stretches over 13,000 miles and was built over several centuries to protect China from invaders. But did you know that a significant portion of it is located in Beijing? The wall winds its way through the city, offering visitors a chance to explore this historical masterpiece up close. Another surprising fact about Beijing is its status as the birthplace of paper. Cai Lun, a court official during the Han Dynasty, is credited with inventing paper around 100 AD. This invention revolutionized the way information was shared and is a testament to the city's intellectual heritage. Let's not forget the Summer Palace, a sprawling complex of gardens, lakes and palaces that was once the summer residence of Chinese emperors. Covering an area of over 260 acres, the palace showcases exquisite architecture and serves as a reminder of China's imperial past. Now let's talk about food. Beijing is a culinary paradise with a wide range of traditional and modern dishes to tantalize your taste buds. One must-try specialty is Peking duck, a famous regional dish consisting of roasted duck, pancakes, spring onion, cucumber, and sweet bean sauce. Another local favorite is zhajiangmian, a noodle dish with a savory sauce made from minced crab and vegetables. For a more immersive experience, visit the Wangfujing Snack Street, a popular destination for foodies. Here you can sample a variety of local delicacies, including grilled skewers of mutton, beef, and chicken, as well as traditional Chinese snacks like fried dough twists and sesame candy. But Beijing's culinary delights don't end there. The city is also home to a thriving modern food scene with trendy restaurants and innovative chefs pushing the boundaries of Chinese cuisine. Explore the hip neighborhoods of Sanlitun and 798 Art District to discover a fusion of flavors and dining experiences. Shopping in Beijing is an experience in itself. From traditional markets to upscale boutiques, the city offers a wide range of options for every shopper. The Wangfujing Street is one of the best places to start your shopping spree. This pedestrian street is lined with department stores, specialty shops, and brand-name boutiques. If you're looking for something unique, head to the Panjiaoan Antique Market, one of Beijing's largest and oldest markets. Here you can find a treasure trove of antiques, art, and collectibles. For a more modern shopping experience, visit the upscale malls of the Sanlitun area. These malls offer a mix of international and local brands as well as high-end designer boutiques. And let's not forget about the trendy boutiques and concept stores in the 798 Art District. These stores offer a curated selection of goods that showcase the creativity and innovation of local designers. In addition to shopping, Beijing offers a plethora of activities and attractions for all ages. The city is home to several theme parks, including the famous Beijing Universal Studios, which features thrilling rides and attractions based on popular movies and TV shows. For a more educational experience, visit the Capital Museum, which showcases Beijing's rich history and culture through various exhibits and artifacts. The National Stadium, also known as the Bird's Nest, is a prominent landmark that hosted the 2008 Summer Olympics. Visitors can take a tour of the stadium and learn about its unique design and construction. And if you're looking for a relaxing activity, head to the serene Beihai Park, which features a picturesque lake, lush gardens, and a variety of plant and animal species. So there you have it, a glimpse into the hidden gems and surprising facts of Beijing, China. From its iconic landmarks to its delicious cuisine and unique shopping destinations, this city has something for everyone. So when are you planning to visit Beijing? Share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting travel guides. Safe travels!